Hi. Good job. Now where are you going to walk to? Good, yay! Henry's a walker. Are you walking? Walking. Can you walk back to Grandpa now? Go back to Grandpa.
Good work.
Oh, good job, Henry Gus.
Want to show Mommy how you can lift my leg up? Henry,
You want to go to Grandma?
show Mommy how smart, how strong you are. Get up.
You lift it up.
How strong are you?
Here, lift my leg up. Oh.
What are they making you do here, huh?
He was pulling Grandpa's leg up.
Yeah.
Good job, Henry. Good job, Bug.